Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. In today's video, I would like to talk about how you can make yourself natural insect repellent for your house, also for your body. So for that I'm going to be using tea tree oil, and this is from company Spring Valley. I'm using this is 100% pure tea tree oil. I just got it in my local I believe it was Walmart, so I got it from Walmart, this tea tree oil, and it was about $11 I believe. But this will last me many years because I use tea tree oil is very strong. You're not supposed to use more than a drop, and also when you mix it with something, make sure you wash your hand after that. Don't use that hand on your eyes or your nose, or it's going to be burning a lot. And I use another container like this to keep the tea tree oil beside this one, because these bottles are glass bottle, and you have to be very careful, because this amount of tea tree oil, if you drop it in your home, it's going to be really a disaster, because this is a lot of tea tree oil and it will produce so much smell that not only the bugs, the human had to go away too. So let's come back to the making the insect repellent. Now the ones available in the market has a lot of side effects, so I don't want to put them in my body. But when I work in my garden, it's very difficult. The mosquitoes and all the other bugs are all over, especially the tiny flies, and they just drive you crazy, buzzing over your head, buzzing on your eyes. So, and also all the seeds I put in the garden, all the bugs eat away the seeds. So I started putting my seeds in the basement. That's where I started germinating my seeds, and I have a good success doing that because bugs couldn't get into it. So I had to make sure the basement is free of all the bugs. So I've been using like a half a gallon of water in a bucket, and in that I use like 5-6 drops of this tea tree oil, and then use the mop to mop all over the floor. And this keeps up the all kinds of bugs, including the roaches, and they are the one which usually eats up the seeds. The roaches, they love eating on the seeds. So that takes care of the bug in the basement. And but for planting or working in the garden, usually early in the morning, late in the evening. Daytime is hard to do it because daytime is really hot. So in the evening and early in the morning, I usually find lots of mosquitoes, and they make it really hard to work in the garden, also the little flies. So what I do, you can buy any this kind of plastic bottle, or you can just use some old bottle. From this one I use it from old soap, and I have this one just a pump. This push pump, but it's better if you have a spray top, and you just fill it up with water. I didn't measure it, just fill it up with water, and don't put more than just a drop, just one drop. Carefully just drop one drop of tea tree oil into this, just one drop. See, two fell off. Just one drop. This tea tree oil, the cap doesn't seal very well, so that's why I keep it in another container in case it opens up. I don't want tea tree oil all over the place, so I seal it in another container, because the smell is so strong, it will get rid of everything. Now after you do that, you make sure you wash your hand. Otherwise, this hand you can put it in your eyes and nose or ears, then that will burn a lot, because these are very concentrated. So after you put 1 or 2 drops into this, close this, And then if you have a spray, just spray all over your body, face, hair, clothing, everything. If you have a pump, put it in your hand and just put everywhere, throw it all over your body, but don't rub it, just spray, kind of like throw it all over the body. And close your eyes when you do it, because you don't want this to get into your eyes or nose or ears. But this has been really working good, and I can work in the morning and evening in my garden without being bugged by the bugs or the mosquitoes. So I decided to share with all my subscribers and viewers. Give it a try, the tea tree oil. It will work if you working in the garden or going outside, so you don't need to use so strong harsh bug spray on you, because they really do have a lot of side effects, and it's better to use something natural. And I heard the same thing about the lemon oil, so you can use the lemon balm oil, lemon oil, and that will do the same job, because bugs really don't like citrus, lemon, so it might work. So thank you so much for joining me. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will be coming up with many more tips and tricks and many more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.